Namaskar, Jai Shri Ram. It's Rajasthan Tourism Series. Top tourist place to visit in Ajmer. Number 1, Khwaja Garib Nawaz Dargah Sharif. Ajmer Dargah is a spiritual place and a very peaceful space. It is said that when the Sufi saint Mohinuddin Chishti Sahab turned 114 years old, he shut himself up for 6 days and gave up his life. Hazrat Khwaja Mohinuddin Chishti is considered to be the propagator of the Islamic religion in India, who has spread the religion of Islam. Ajmer Dargah is visited by thousands of people who believe in different regions. It is believed that every wish made with pure heart and intention at Dargah gets fulfilled. Number 2, Anna Sagar Lake. After visiting Khwaja Sahib Dargah, there was enough time left for us, so we decided to visit Anna Sagar Lake. It is located middle of Ajmer city. One can spend good amount of time watching the birds in the evening. You can take a walk on the banks of the lake. You can enjoy boat ride as well. Number 3, Nasiyan Jain Temple. Nasiyan Jain Temple is situated in the middle of the city and easily accessible. The temple is a two-storied structure and is divided into two parts. One part is the temple in worship area for Jains only, while other part houses a museum and a hall. The main hall, known as the Swarna Nagari, City of Gold, has several gold-plated wooden figures depicting several figures in the Jain religion. Number 4, Nareli Jain Temple. Nareli Jain Temple is located on the outskirts of Ajmer city, around 7 kilometers from the city center. The temple is situated on Aravalli mountain range. The temple complex is quite spacious and nicely maintained. The temple has an attractive architecture and has a calm and quiet ambience. We visited the temple in the evening when there was few guests. Couple of lights were only switched on, making the temple premises dark. Under limited illumination, we visited temple and did the darshan of the shrine. Maybe evening is not an ideal time for temple visit. Number 5, Akbar's Palace and Museum. The historical Akbar Fort, where the museum is housed, was constructed by Mughal Emperor Akbar to honor the Sufi saint Khwaja Mohinuddin Chishti. The fort has historical significance from where the Mughal Emperor Jahangir allowed British East India Company to trade with India. The museum exhibits collection of Mughal and Rajput artifacts and sculpture. Number 6, Rangji Temple. Rangji Temple is one of the famous temples of Pushkar. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, incarnation Lord Rangji. There are idols of other gods as well in the temple, such as goddess Lakshmi, Lord Krishna, Sri Ramanujacharya. The temple has specific darshan timing. When we visited in the morning, the temple was closed for darshan. Hence, we had to wait for reopening of the temple of the darshan. Number 7, Adhai Din Ka Jhopda Mosque. The place is pretty close to Dargah, so it can be visited along with Dargah. The place is more like a picnic spot for families. It was quite crowded when I visited the place. There is a worshipping place also inside the fort. It is supposedly believed that the fort was built in 2.5 days, and that's why the name. Number 8, Daulat Bagh Garden. Daulat Bagh Garden is a historical garden located adjacent to Anna Sagar Lake, Ajmer. The park is spacious and well maintained with lush green gardens, trees, etc. An ideal space for walking and spending quality time. Park has provision for children activities, boat rides, and etc. Number 9, Prithviraj Smarak Monument. Prithviraj Smarak is located in between Ajmer and Pushkar Road. Memorial has a statue of Prithviraj Chauhan in black stone, poised majestically on a horse, symbolizing his courage and bravery. The memorial is situated on a hillock and offers a panoramic view of Ajmer city. Selfie point is created for photo ops. When we visited the memorial in the afternoon while returning from Pushkar, there was limited crowd, hence has a peaceful visit. Number 10, Shahjahan's Mosque. Shahjahan's Mosque is situated within Ajmer Sharif Dargah complex. Was constructed by Mughal Emperor Shahjahan. Mosque is built with white marble and has nice architecture with intricate carving. The place was crowded. While visiting Dargah, a quick visit to the mosque may be made. So guys, these were the top tourist place to visit in Ajmer. I hope you like video. If you like it, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind.